welcome back to AK Production channel. Today I will show you the difference between DDL and DML command. Let's start from the definition. Data definition language (DDL) commands are used to define the structure of a database, such as creating tables and modifying their attributes. These commands are responsible for managing the schema of the database and can only be executed by privileged users. On the other hand, data manipulation language (DML) commands are used to manipulate the data within the database, such as inserting, updating, and deleting records. These commands are executed by regular users and do not modify the schema of the database. Types of DDL and DML commands. DDL, data definition language, commands are used to define the database structure, whereas DML, data manipulation language, commands are used to manipulate data within the database. There are several types of DDL commands, including create, alter, drop, rename, and truncate. Create is used to create a new table or view, alter is used to modify an existing table or view, drop is used to delete a table or view, rename is used to rename a table or view, and truncate is used to remove all data from a table. Similarly, there are also different types of DML commands, such as select, insert, update, delete, and merge. Select is used to retrieve data from one or more tables, insert is used to add new data to a table, update is used to modify existing data in a table, delete is used to remove data from a table, and merge is used to combine data from multiple tables into a single table. Use of DDL command. DDL commands are used to define the database structure or schema. They are used to create, modify, and delete database objects such as tables, indexes, and constraints. These commands are essential for managing the database and ensuring its integrity. One of the most commonly used DDL commands is create table. This command is used to create a new table in the database. The syntax for this command includes the table name, column names, and data types. Another important DDL command is alter table, which is used to modify an existing table by adding or removing columns, changing data types, or adding constraints. Use of DML command. DML, or data manipulation language, commands are used to manipulate the data stored in a database. These commands are used to insert, update, and delete data from the tables in a database. They can also be used to retrieve data from the tables. One of the most common DML commands is the insert command. This command is used to add new data to a table. The update command is used to modify existing data in a table, while the delete command is used to remove data from a table. The select command is used to retrieve data from a table. Rolling back with DDL and DML commands. When it comes to rolling back changes, it's important to understand the differences between DDL and DML commands. DDL commands are used to modify the structure of a database, such as creating or dropping tables, while DML commands are used to manipulate data within those structures. Because of this fundamental difference, rolling back changes made by DDL commands is not possible. DDL commands made changes permanently, therefore, we cannot use rollback those statements. On the other hand, DML commands can be rolled back using the rollback statement. This allows you to undo any changes made to the data within a table, such as updates or deletes. However, it's worth noting that rolling back a transaction may not always be possible if certain conditions are met, such as when another user has already modified the data in question. DML commands do not make changes permanently. Therefore, rollback is possible for those statements.